like I'm safe here now. There's no way they can get past this door. Ah! I need to do that, I'm sorry! Also, I was doing that to feed my family! Not again!
LeBron James.
Why don't we just throw Ice Cube onto the timer to cool it down, you know?
Whoa, Eraser? That's really smart. Maybe you do have brains.
Huh, maybe I do.
Sorry to cut your festivities off short, but there's a huge problem.
Which is...
Well, do you hear that beeping? It has to do with that beeping.
Fucking cow! Get your f***ing kitchen, get your f***ing dishes!
And then this happened.
Lower your torso, bitch. you stupid pinhead.
So you were expecting this to be a salute on Friday, right? This is a random salute. So anyways, let's get started.
Yeah, I'm coming. What's up, Barney? What are you doing late night? What's up, Barney? What are you doing late night?
The next day.
Oh my god, who's do this to him? What is happening to him? What kind of alien done this to him?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, hey.
SpongeBob. Do you want to come jellyfishing?
No. Look at the tomato sauce.